Okay, let's give her a round of applause, please. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Ang tanging hangad ko lang nasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nagaganap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. At sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nagaganap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko.
Palakpakan po. Thank you, Darlene. Ngayon po, may I call on the Crimson Dawn, Pearls Gonzalez, Queen Gonzalez, Drubert Monoy, and Caden Tango. Hello?
ng matawa.
Hi everyone, we're Crimson Dawn. My name is Ferge. Jubert, no. Oh, Jubert is on the bass. Keen's on the lead guitar, and Caden's on the drums. Okay. Yes.
Thank you very much, Crimson Dawn. Palakpakan po natin ulit ang Crimson Dawn. Thank you. Yun.
Okay, alam ko pong naghihintay na ang lahat sa raffle. Mag-raffle tayo. Maging ready po yung mga number ninyo.
Yun, yung green. We would like to thank mga sponsors po natin. Ulitin ko po. Ay pong sponsors, ang daming mga prizes natin.
Bilhin nyo.
Thank you po ulit sa Monoy family, Caballero family, Laog-Laog family, Habagat family, Alovera family, Neri family, Melencio family, at yung mga nag-decorate at nag-set up po dito sa ating hall. AIL, Lord Jesus Christ Ministry,
Sis, asa di ka ginana?
CFC Oamaru, Laraga family, Kiachon family,
Ha?
Alegado family, Patalbo family, Kabayan Cart, LGCM Ministry.
Ano man anak ko?
Thank you po.
Alright.
Ano na anak ko?
Salamat po sa lahat. And our first winner for tonight, yung green na hamper po.
Yun, yung green na hamper.
Color yellow.
Yellow.
Ticket po na yellow. Ang number po is 144308.
Yun!
144308.
Umuna, ko na.
144308. Congratulations!
Ayun, nanalo si atin. Ang galing naman.
144308.
Ang
Sa'yo po
dami-
yung green na hamper.
Ang dami niyang ticket. Yan. Okay.
Picture, picture.
Mabigat po.
Smile mo na.
Yan, hawak po.
Smile pa.
Nasaan na po yung malaki niyong kasama?
Hey, smile pa mo na.
Okay, you will bunot another one.
May I call on the presence po ni Ate Ruth?
Siya po yung magbubunot.
Ate Ruth, kayo po ang bunot. Nagulat siya. Bunutin niyo po ang susunod na papremyo.
Ang po natin is yung food na Malt Pro Food Processor. Yan po kuya.
Kenwood Fruit Processor.
Number, green po na ticket. Green ticket. Number 179359.
Yun, may sumigaw. Sumigaw na.
179359.
Kausa lang ang daong.
Green po ba? Green?
Wala
Green
na
na
ka.
ticket.
Dili
Yan,
na ka
Birdi,
pwede.
Birdi.
179359.
Ayun, nakali... Nawala.
Meron?
Wala po, pero may sumigaw.
179.
Meron?
35.
Sumigaw lang.
Mag-count po tayo ng 1 to 5. Pag wala po, bunot po ulit. 1, 2,
2, 3,
4, 5.
4. Sayang naman.
Next, Ate Ruth. Ay, meron pala.
Ayun, kaya pala may sumigaw. May nanalo.
179359.
Yan, Kenwood Food Processor po, bigay ng AIL.
Congratulations. Okay. Our next presenter po for tonight is ang nagagandahang mga titas of Omaru.
Yun, yung mga titas po ng OOM.
Palakpakan po natin ang mga titas ng Omaru.
Palakpakan po natin ulit para ganahan naman. Yan.
Nag-practice po sila ng mga 3 months.
3 months in preparation. Yan. Tagal nun. 3 months.
3 months po.
yung mga tita natin.
Kids! Palakpakan mo natin sila, kids! Woo!
Ako talaga ba? Kita na daw. Kita na daw. Hindi ka kumusaya uwi. Kumusaya maulaw ko.
Sayaw sis. Yan sis.
Nayaw na sila. Nako na dito, Merkay. Ako na po. Hindi ay.
Okay, once again, palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, palakpakan po natin once again ang ating
Yun,
mga
palakpakan po
titas.
natin ang ating mga titas. Dapat may pangalan na sa susunod yung mga titas natin. Wala po munang magkatambling.
Halika na doon. Go, Merkay.
Ilalabas na po nila ang kanilang pinagpaguran na 3 buwan.
Nag-meeting pa po sila, nag-meet.
Ay, nagbibigya ako. Jason. Jason. Kami muna. Ano ka sila? Kayo muna. Kayo? Okay. Kayo daw, kayo muna. Jason.
Okay, alright. Ready na po ang ating mga titas.
Sila daw muna.
Ready? Ready na po?
Sila muna daw.
Ha? Oo. Part yun sa kanilang presentation.
Naunya pa.
Yun, intro pa lang yun.
Okay, let's give them a round of applause.
Palakpakan po natin. Palakpakan na may sigaw. Mali.
Finish na.
Galing naman ang outfit ni Tita.
Hinahabol yan ang kaso. Ready? Go.
Hindi ba yung binili?
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come throw some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city. It's for the basement. That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey, we're surviving. A breakup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we headed to the dive bar we always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left, then spin me in the middle, boy. Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So pop your Lexus, throw
Yun. Hindi pa tapos. May kasunod pa. Let's go!
Yes! Nagagandahang mga tita.
Yun. Kitang-kita naman.
Ayoko na. Lubat man.
Napagod ang mga titas natin.
Uy, uy.
Yan, and for our next performers. Kung merong mga titas,
Ay, dito.
may mga titos naman po tayo, ano? And they would like to call the Waitaki Tissel Dancers. Waitaki Tissel Dancers po is founded 2008 pa. So, sumasayaw na itong mga to, mga performer na. At makikita natin yung mga original dancers from 2008.
Hello, bro, may atil ba ka na?
May I call on the Waitaki Tissel Dancers? Waitaki Tissel talaga.
Waitaki Diesel. Diesel? Diesel? Sana. Sila bro Jason. Isa ka ba ni bro Jason? Sila father? Bro lagi.
Palapakan po natin ang mga Waitaki Tissel Dancers. Sinong gustong sumayaw?
Patun lagi mo lang.
Tawagin ko na lang yung mga sasayaw.
Patun lagi mo lang.
Ito, mga veterans talaga to sa stage. Hindi ito basta-basta. Malaki ang talent pin ito. Okay, brothers. Kaso yung mga kabayo nila naiwan. Doon kayo. Doon kayo mga cowboy sa kabila. Tatlo doon. Cowboy. Tatlo doon sa kabila. Cowboy. Okay, zipper. Taas yung zipper. Baka open yung zipper nyo.
Hindi kayo mag-selfie ng Marbay. Adi ka ni Marbay. Ikaw mag-ana Marbay.
Okay, taas daw po yung mga zipper.
Basta mag-selfie.
Palapakan po natin, Waitaki Tissel Dancers. Kulang pa.
Kulang daw na isa.
Ayun, Sir Adonis, kailangan ka daw. Isa ka sa mga original Waitaki Tissel Dancers.
Kato di ilang ko kan, kato nila sayo sa una katong
Cowboy?
numero boy bayot.
Nagbibihis pa po yata.
Ano kaya kato dito sa kwan sa
Ay, bayot din sila.
Beijing Adonis.
Sa tinakadaog ko yun.
Ayun.
Yan yung naan mo. Usa lang ani.
Palapakan once again, Waitaki Tissel Dancers.
Hi, Archie.
Yun.
May panay.
Why panay? Oh, why panay? Memorize lang. Yes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tumbling.
Ang tawag ko dyan, sayaw na may kasamang counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good pala natin ang mga kids.
Waitaki Tissel Dancers. Salamat po, salamat. Thank you.
Salamat po. At ngayon, alam ko ang mga kids naghihintay na para sa kanilang game. Mag-game muna po ang mga kids. Kids, can you please come forward? Let's have a game for the kids.
Pwede, oh.
Kids or teens, pwede? Mga teens natin.
Tapi di ko katagay, kaya juga ko ticket ha? Lahat na. Yan na ha?
Kids,
Sa color.
let's have a game. Kids, come here.
Huwag ko'y blue.
Yung mga bata po natin, yung mga kids. Come in the front, please. Yeah.
Kids, come here.
Kay ang madaog, kay ang red man. Ako na ito ng red na. Red, did I?
Yun yung mga kids natin, next generation. Ito na po sila. Dami nila.
Jadi yan, natog na ito ba? Hindi ko pwede ito. Alamin na ako may kung saan ko gusto grabe. Pero... Hindi yan, ito.
Hold it, hold it.
Tawa ko nito. Nice dito sa kakang floor. Nanay sulanan. Grabe. Ito may ano, ito may sobrang hamper.
Oh, sorry, it's all done. Okay, kids, that already done. Sorry. Okay, the ones who has a cup, can you please form a circle? Please form a circle, please. Form a circle.
Those kids na hindi... You're on the next line. You're on the next game, kids. You're on the next game, okay?
Okay.
Gia, Gia.
So we will...
Gia.
Please form a circle. Come here.
Gia,
Come here. Come here.
Gia. Next game ra ka, Gia.
You will play.
Next game.
Next na ka.
Okay.
Gia.
Form a circle, please. Form a circle.
Tayo natin yung
Nakuha
player
na
para.
iba-iba nilang cups.
Can you please put your cups there? Can you put no at in the middle? Put your cups here.
All of your cups, put in the center, okay?
Okay, music. Can I request music, please? Sugar pop,
Wow. Wow.
Hang on.
please.
Hang on.
Okay. So what you're going to do is this is Trip to Jerusalem version 2 using a cup. Okay. So you're gonna dance, and then you're gonna when the music stops, you need to get a cup. Okay. And the kid that doesn't have any cup will be going to be out. Yes, yeah, just like Trip to Jerusalem with a cup. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Ready? Music, please.
You have to be very careful, okay? Be careful.
Music, please.
Ano ba yun?
Ano na rin doon say?
You need to form a circle, please.
So when there's a music, you need to dance. Turn around, dance. So when the music stops, you need to get a cup. Okay, and the kids that doesn't have any cup will be out. Okay? So the faster, the better. I'm not sure yet what you get for the... Okay. Dance. Oh, sorry. Oh, not yet. Sorry. Okay.
Yay! Hang on. That's only a practice.
Oh, only a practice.
That's
okay?
only a practice.
Put it back.
Okay,
put it back, please.
Put it back your cups, please.
Arrange it, please.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, music, please. Yes, dance. Turn around. Dance. Turn around. Dance. Turn around.
Hang on.
Turn around.
You need to...
Okay.
Ano na ito sila ipaano?
Okay.
Super bye ba
The
kay
one
parents na
who doesn't have any cup will be out. Please out. Sorry. Oh, sorry. What happened? Okay. Circle. So those. No
Hang
cup. Out, please.
Hang on.
No
Put your cup in the...
out.
Hang on. Just put your cup in the center, please. Put your cup in the center. Alright? Hang on. Put all your cup in the center, please.
Okay.
Yep. Hang on.
Form a circle, please.
2 meters away from the cup. Okay? 2 meters away from the cup. 2 meters away from the cup. Hang on.
Hands. Hold your
Move
hands.
backward. Move backward. 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 Backward, please. Backward. Move backward. Move backward. Move backward. Alright.